Hello, health enthusiasts! If you're struggling with bloating, constipation, or that heavy feeling that just won't go away, today's video is for you. I'm sharing a natural juice recipe that's easy to make and incredibly effective for eliminating waste, relieving bloating, and improving overall digestive health. This juice isn't just refreshing. It's packed with nutrients that work together to get your digestive system back on track. So, grab a glass, and let's dive into the science behind why this juice works wonders for digestion and gut health. And if you enjoy this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more wellness tips. Let's start by understanding what's happening when we experience constipation or bloating. Constipation is when our bowel movements slow down or become difficult to pass, often resulting in dry, hard stools. This can happen for a variety of reasons. Maybe you're not drinking enough water, you're missing fiber in your diet, or perhaps you're under a lot of stress. Some medications and even a lack of exercise can also contribute to this issue. When your digestive system is sluggish, waste moves through your intestines more slowly. This can lead to a buildup of trapped waste, which often feels heavy and uncomfortable. And here's where bloating comes in. When waste and gas get stuck in your intestines, it can cause that tight, swollen feeling in your belly that we all know too well. Gas is a natural byproduct of digestion, but when it doesn't pass easily, it becomes uncomfortable. The good news? Certain fruits and vegetables have properties that can stimulate digestion, ease bloating, and promote regularity. By drinking this juice regularly, you can help your body maintain a healthy flow and prevent those uncomfortable buildups of waste. So, if you're ready to find out what ingredients we'll be using, let's move on to the recipe. Now let's talk about the powerhouse ingredients that make this juice so effective. Each component has been carefully selected to support digestion and promote regularity. And together, they create a potent blend that works wonders. Prunes. Known for their natural laxative effect, prunes are rich in fiber and sorbitol, a type of sugar alcohol that draws water into the intestines. This softens stools and makes them easier to pass. Apples? Apples are high in pectin, a soluble fiber that regulates bowel movements and feeds the good bacteria in your gut. This can help create a healthier digestive environment and improve regularity. Spinach. Spinach is loaded with magnesium, a mineral that relaxes the muscles in your digestive tract, making it easier for waste to pass through. It's also rich in other nutrients that support overall gut health. Lemon. The citric acid in lemon juice gives your digestive system a gentle nudge, helping to break down food and stimulate bowel movements. Plus, it has detoxifying properties that aid in cleansing. Ginger. Known for its digestive benefits, ginger can reduce inflammation, ease bloating, and relieve gas. It has a natural spiciness that enhances the juice's effectiveness, making it a perfect addition to this blend. These ingredients, combined in the right proportions, create a juice that supports your digestive system, keeps you regular, and helps eliminate that heavy, bloated feeling. Ready to learn how to make it? Let's get to the recipe. Here's the recipe for this powerful juice that helps to relieve constipation, flush out waste, and reduce bloating. Ingredients: 4 to 5 pitted prunes, 1 apple, cored and chopped, 1 cup fresh spinach, 1/2 lemon, peeled, 1-inch piece of fresh ginger, peeled, 1 cup water. Instructions: start by adding all the ingredients into your blender. Blend until smooth. If the consistency is too thick, add a bit more water until it reaches your preferred texture. Pour the juice into a glass and enjoy immediately for the best results. This juice is best enjoyed on an empty stomach, so consider having it in the morning. Drinking it first thing allows your body to absorb the nutrients more effectively, giving your digestive system a fresh start to the day. You can also sip on it throughout the day as needed for extra relief. Remember, it's not just tasty, it's packed with ingredients that support gut health and keep you feeling light and energized. While this juice is an excellent tool for maintaining digestive health, there are other habits you can incorporate into your daily routine for even better results. Stay hydrated. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day. Hydration is crucial for digestion, as it helps soften stools and makes them easier to pass. Without enough water, waste can become hard and difficult to move through the digestive tract. Exercise regularly. Physical activity stimulates the digestive system and helps prevent constipation. Even a daily walk can make a big difference in keeping your digestive system active and responsive. Increase fiber gradually. Incorporate more fiber-rich foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes. These foods add bulk to your stool and encourage regular bowel movements. Just remember to increase your fiber intake slowly to prevent discomfort. Manage stress. High stress levels can negatively affect digestion. Find time to relax and engage in activities that lower stress, such as yoga, meditation, or deep breathing exercises. A calm mind contributes to a happier gut. Small, consistent changes can make a huge impact on your digestive health. Start with this juice and try incorporating 1 or 2 of these tips to create a balanced, gut-friendly lifestyle. And don't worry if you miss a day. Consistency is the key to long-term results. Making positive changes to support your digestion and overall health doesn't have to be overwhelming. Start with small, achievable goals, like having this juice daily or taking a short walk. These steps might seem simple, but over time, they can lead to significant improvements. Remember, health is a journey, not a sprint. If you miss a day of drinking your juice or forget to exercise, don't be hard on yourself. Just pick up where you left off. Building habits takes time and patience, so celebrate each small success. Whether it's feeling less bloated, having more energy, or simply enjoying the taste of this juice, every step forward is worth recognizing. You can also share your goals with friends or family. Having support can make healthy changes more enjoyable and help you stay on track. Maybe even invite a friend to make this juice with you or go for a walk together. Celebrating these moments can boost motivation and create lasting habits that keep you feeling your best. By incorporating these small yet powerful actions into your daily life, you're setting yourself up for a healthier, happier you. And as always, thank you for joining me on this journey. Let's raise a glass to better digestion and a more vibrant life.